Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change gender and age range preferences on Bumble. Now let's begin. Let's switch over to our mobile device. Let's search for Bumble and open it. Once the Bumble app is opened, from here you can view your own profile, the busy bees, your chats, and others. But for now, we're gonna focus on the top right section of this screen. Let's click on the top right section, those two lines, and a new tab will open saying, who do you want to date? The age range. If you want to date everyone, select I'm open to dating everyone. Or if you want to date men, select the men. Same for women or non-binary. And in the age tab, you can also select the age range. Just move on the slider, left and right. You can experiment with it. And there's a button below it saying, see people 2 years either side if I run out. You can toggle this on or off if you wish to. Also, you can select the languages that they should know. Add languages. There are lots of options here, it's up to you. And there are also advanced filters. You can add many filters from here, such as only verified profiles, heights, do they exercise or not, etc, etc, and simply click on apply. Well guys, that's it for the video. That is how you change gender and age range preferences on Bumble. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.